Here we are in the forest, such a peaceful scene. We have a rainbow-colored tree in the forest. And oh look, a bird nest with some green eggs. And there's a white dove sitting up on the tree branch, keeping an eye on her eggs. Oh, so peaceful. But there may be trouble in the works. What's that I see coming? A cat. A black cat. What's he up to? No, he's going to the tree. Ah, he's starting to jump up on the tree. What is that white stuff? He's slipping in it. Ah, he's headed for the eggs. Oh, he jumped over and he missed them. But I'm sure he'll be back. Dun, dun, dun. You better move your house.